Okay, so this is gonna be a little different. The Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, the fan edition, will go on sale sometimes in the second half of this year. But if you don't know, Samsung is actually skipping a number. The Galaxy S20 FE was a huge success for Samsung, selling over like 10 million units. However, the S21 FE with a higher price tag didn't do as well. But now it does make sense. Now a lot of people buy that phone just because it's the most valuable money phone I can even recommend. And according to source from Korea, Samsung will actually essentially replace the Galaxy A74 mid-range phone with the Galaxy S23 FE this year in order to make it perform really well in the market. Because look, here's a simple thing. The A74 is the higher end of the mid-rangers. The S20 FE series is always the lowest end of the flagship phones. So they kind of collide a lot in the market. And that's why Samsung is deciding to scrap the S74 and launch the S23 FE instead. The S23 FE may be available in more nations than the S21 FE though, which was only available in certain Asian markets, Europe and the US. Now, you might be thinking, what could be the processor? Well, that's where the game is. Now, we were hoping that the phone will be coming with either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chipset, which is powering the S23 lineup, or 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, or maybe Exynos 2300. Well, there were rumors like that. Now, if you don't know about the 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chipset, well, this is actually a slightly overclocked variant of the standard 8 Gen 2. It has an overclocked prime core, the X3 core, but not just that, there are other improvements in the GPU and NPU with more power efficiency than even the standard Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. But sadly, the S23 FE will not come with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy or even the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 standard one. Rather, it will come with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 according to a leaker. Now, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 uses this TSMC's 4nm manufacturing technique, which is the same process node used by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU as well. And that's why Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 was a better one, because it was not manufactured by Samsung Foundry. So if Samsung has any intention to release the Galaxy S23 FE, this chipset will be perfect for the phone. Now, thanks to YouTube, most people also know that the 8 Plus Gen 1 is much superior than the 8 Gen 1 itself. So having a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 powered S23 FE is gonna be a game changing. What kind of else things we can expect from it? Well, it will be quite a bit similar to the S21 FE, like a 6.4-inch screen with 1080p Full HD Plus resolution, somewhere like 128GB of base storage option. The cameras, I'm still uncertain about this one, but if you look at the S21's cameras, well, it had triple 12-megapixel cameras, main ultra-wide angle and a 3x telephoto zoom camera. So you can expect something along those lines, or maybe it will also come with the same camera setup as the S23 series. That at this point is a little hard to tell, but definitely I will keep an eye on this thing and I will let you guys know. Okay, after releasing this free 8K wallpaper pack, here is absolutely stunning 8K wallpaper pack called Lightbeam. On any monitor, computer, tablet or even smartphone, it looks awesome. Want to see right away on your devices? Visit my website, link down below. It's for everything tech, where you will find free watch faces and tons of tech news much faster than these videos. So definitely visit it. Until the next one, bye and take care.